Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the compare lengths and heights worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits. In this video, I will take you through the answers to the compare lengths and heights worksheet. So let's start with question 1. The family want to stand in order from shortest to tallest. So we've got Grandma, Katie, Rex and Dad. Write their names in the correct order. So we need to start with the shortest. Well, I can see that Rex is the shortest. So Rex will go first, and I've crossed his name out so that we don't get him confused. So let's see who's next. We've got Grandma, Katie or Dad. Who's the shortest out of the three of them? I can see that Katie is the shortest, so she will go next. That leaves us with Grandma and Dad, so I'm looking for the person who is shorter. I can see that Grandma is shorter, so she's going to be my next one, and that leaves Dad for the very end because he is the tallest family member. Let's move on to question 2. Use the word cards to complete the sentences below. The robot is the ball is the, and the is taller than the truck. And we've got some words along the bottom to help us. Shortest, tallest, ball and robot. So let's look at the robot. The robot is the. Well, let's look at the robot and look at the other objects. I can see that it's taller than the other two objects. And I know we're comparing height because we've got the words tallest here. So the robot is the tallest object because it's taller than the other two. Let's have a look at the ball then. The ball is the. So looking at the ball, well, it's shorter than the robot and it's shorter than the truck. So it's the shortest. So that's the word I need to complete that sentence. And then we've got the is taller than the truck. Well, let's have a look at the truck. Which object is taller, the robot or the ball? Well, I can see that the robot is taller because the ball is the shortest, so I need robot in my final sentence. Okay, we've got question 3 then, our final question. The children are comparing the length of the objects below. We've got Tom, the car is longer than the bike. Ruby, the car is the longest. And Jess, the car is shorter than the truck. Who has made a mistake? Explain your answer. Well, I can see that the bike is the shortest, followed by the car, and then the truck is the longest. Let's read the children's statements again because someone is incorrect. So, Tom, the car is longer than the bike. Well, Tom is correct because the car is longer than the bike. The bike is the shortest, so he's correct. Let's move on to Ruby. Okay, the car is the longest. Is the car the longest? The truck is longer than the car, so the truck is the longest, so Ruby isn't right. Let's check Jess. The car is shorter than the truck. So the car is shorter than the truck because the truck is the longest, so Jess is correct. And that means Ruby is incorrect because the car is not the longest, the truck is the longest. That was the answer explanation video for the compare lengths and heights worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.